come aboard.
Okay, here it comes. Hey, Captain,
Welcome.
permission to
So
come
I have
aboard?
something to, yeah, come on, climb up in here. I have something to show you guys here. So we've been filming FSD Live, and I wanted to show you some of the camera equipment that we've been using.
Oh.
So we've been using these refrigerated MagSafe wireless chargers that I grab a hold of with this like grip here, and then most importantly, we have these battery powered suction cups that they maintain their suction. They're constantly monitoring. Check this one out up here, Mom. Show you this one here. All that stuff in there. Can I take you, or I should say, can the car take you on your first version 14 FSD and your first Cybertruck drive, and you're not driving? How about it?
You trust Mom driving your new Cybertruck?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, you mean Mom's be a passenger in the driver's seat when Wife drives, Mom?
Yeah. Do you want to? I'll take the
okay.
camera, and yeah, we'll switch spots here.
All right.
All right.
We're
Let's
gonna
do
switch. Okay.
All right. So all you have to do is you can just touch start self-driving, but and if you're ever uncomfortable, you can hit the brake.
Okay. Well,
And
it says
then
tap to drive, but you want me to tap? Do I just tap that? Okay.
And then you don't have to touch anything.
Well, I like me. Are you sure?
Yeah, because you're probably gonna take it out by accident.
What if it starts rocking with all the ice up there?
We'll handle it one step at a time. So the only thing I would tell you to do is so there's no one coming.
Yeah, but it's going towards your car.
Yep, all good. And the only thing is I'm gonna drop you out of hurry. I'll put you in standard. Have a standard for Mom.
How about chill Mom mode?
Yeah, we can put you in chill.
Is that better than standard?
And looks like traffic's good from the right,
Is it going
and it's gonna go left here. So just look.
Yeah. Okay, it's checking. Oh, that's nice. It pulled out a little bit to check. It didn't do that in the old versions. You had to nudge it forward a little bit
She's right about that.
to see. Okay, I like that it can watch behind you. You know.
Yeah, and I gave Mom clean cameras. We took all the solid off the cameras, so this is like best case scenario.
And does it automatically slow down for school zone? You know?
If school was in session, I have heard that it does. I don't know.
You should try that out with school session, but you're usually working.
Yeah, I go the other way. But here, this is a no turn on red sign, so maybe you'll get to try that out. Probably will go green on us to be exact.
Okay.
Oh, actually, no, it's gonna try it. Yeah.
Okay, so it should not turn on red, right?
Yeah, because you got that no turn on red sign way up
Let's see if it
there.
stops.
Can I zoom in on that?
Okay.
Yeah, there it is.
So if it tries to go, I'll put the brake on past the white line.
So we have our first unprotected left turn.
Store. Okay, I didn't know it was so close. I never really looked at it.
It's waiting for the Jeep. This is chill mode.
Go in the out and
Yeah, that's
new.
That's a very good thing. I'll bring up the camera so we can see a little more of what's going on. Yeah. It's come to a stop. It is a three-way stop.
There's another truck. Wait.
You're fine.
I'm telling him to stay.
Oh, you are? Oh, okay.
He looked like he was nudging forward.
He probably was. And this is new for this update. So this is FSD 14.2.1. And last time I took it over here, it took us to. You can let it park. It'll ease up there.
It won't hit that thing.
It might, but you'll be fine. It's slowing. Yep. Look, see it stop. It's parking us. So the last time it took us over here, that's a pretty good job. Yeah. Last time it parked us over there at just storage because it's like on the side of. Take us home. Give us a start self-drive and it'll do.
I don't have the navigation on.
Oh, you do. So you see here, it's got our next nav.
Oh, you put it in already.
It's already in like a full trip.
Do I hit continue trip?
I think you can just hit start self-driving and it'll take you home.
Okay. And stop that film and
keep it going.
You're making the clip too long on my phone and we'll never get to you from transferring. Oh, don't hit the truck.
Yeah, so it's stopping a little far back.
Not real straight, but that's okay. He stopped, so we'll give him that.
Mom's personifying FSD.
Is he in the wrong lane?
He is in the wrong lane. Wait, let's see if he corrects here.
I'm not correcting.
Yeah, let's let it reroute. It'll figure it out. This is interesting. So this is it'll ease up. Let it be here.
Oh, I don't want to to pull out.
It won't. It's gonna wait for that. It sees the truck. So yeah, see how it's waiting for the truck and it's waiting for the people to the right?
Okay.
It might go on this gap. So be ready. Yep, it's gonna go. It's got clear space.
Oh, it went the wrong way.
It's going the wrong way, but it'll reroute us. It'll figure it out. It's thinking. It slowed down there for a second while it was thinking, so it's taking us on the scenic route.
I wasn't even checking that it was gonna. I thought it was gonna go,
So
incorrectly.
So there, for whatever reason, FSD got in the wrong exit lane there. I'll bring up the camera
But
so
it
you.
can't go to your house this way.
Yep, it'll just take us past like McDonald's
what
or
about
whatever.
the snow up
Notice it's staying to the left a little bit. It's pointing around.
there? I
So
hope
it's
it doesn't
avoiding the
hit
snow.
that.
No, it won't. See how it's. Look, it's going slightly left.
It's just a turn red, but there's people there.
Yeah, it's got the. It's legal to turn right on red for this light here.
Yeah, I just don't want it to pull out if there's people coming. It won't pull out real fast. but-
So no, it'll do what's necessary to get in the gap.
Okay.
That's. Yeah. And looks like it's gonna go now. Yep.
Oh, did it hit your snow?
No, it went to the left and avoided the snow. It'll avoid this guy. Just watch it. See how it's going leftward a little bit there? Yeah.
Okay, so it's going around. Yeah.
Kept driving. That's the critical thing to keep you safe. It didn't just try to do the wrong turn or something like that. Driveway. And to be clear, my mom just has her hand on the wheel, but the blue here means the car is driving.
Yeah. Just in case, slipping and sliding. How's it doing black ice conditions? Because it's really cold today.
It slips. It slides.
Slips and slides.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
I
a
have
little
video of
chipmunk.
that.
This black squirrel. Does it see it? No, it doesn't see the squirrel. Squirrel. Like the movie Squirrel. Okay, so it's not going to park in yours where she parks on that.
Right, so we're
Your
coming
wife's
up
car.
here and it's gonna back in. Yeah.
Does it see the other one? Yeah, I see the truck on
Yep,
there.
so
Okay.
it's gonna bring up the camera and I'll let you.
This is so tight.
I'm watching it. You're
In
good
the
on this
ice.
side. You're good. Yep, you're all good.
Oh, I hope it doesn't hit you.
Yeah, it's all clear. It gets right up in there.
Oh my goodness, that is absolutely fabulous.
So yeah, congratulations.
Bye.
Welcome to the club. What'd you think of the drive? What'd you think of FSD version 14 2.2.1?
So much different than I had a couple trial experiences on my Model 3, and yours is different than mine. Mine has still a stick for navigation, but it's so much more intelligent. And it's
Okay.
very smooth at stopping. Because the first ones would slam you right into the stop.
Mhm.
Like if you were sitting in the back, you'd be like, ugh. This was very, very smooth. And I love that it knew you had some good examples, like the person walking alongside of the road. It's still learning because it didn't do the route home. Like when we came out of
Yeah, it chose the wrong
parking
lane.
lot.
Yeah.
So I'm really curious, maybe because the snow was covering it a little bit, it couldn't see the sign
Yeah,
on the road.
I
the
don't.
the turn in the lane.
That was new to me.
But otherwise, I'm really impressed with it.
All right, folks, you heard it here first. Mom, I guess this version passes her in-town test. Although you could tell there was a lot of fright going on, but she was more scared of breaking our truck than FSD to